Have you ever wondered who are service providers for email marketing? Do you often wonder how to find tools for email marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of using service providers and tools for email marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about choosing a service provider or tool for email marketing. Now let's get into it. A permission-based list of email subscribers is the most valuable asset you should build with your online marketing efforts. So, what are the right tools to get started with? Technically, you have 3 choices. 1. Sending your email promotions yourself with desktop software. 2. Sending your emails with server-based software from your servers. 3. Outsourcing to a trusted email marketing tools service provider. When using 1 or 2, you will find yourself quickly involved with technical issues, and you will run into all sorts of restrictions and limitations due to various anti-spam measures. Getting your emails delivered is not only a technical issue anymore. It has become a matter of trust between email service and internet service providers. Thanks to all those reckless email spammers, sending your email campaigns using a reputable service provider increases the chances that your emails are delivered and protects you from having your own email server or domain blocked as a result of false spam complaints. It might look more inexpensive to make a one-time purchase for software that handles all your future email campaign needs to be compared to choosing a service that charges $30 a month. But in reality, you will pay a very heavy price for trying to be cheap. Any good email marketing service provider will take care of the issues that ensure your messages get delivered to the inbox of your subscribers. They also will make sure that their service is up to date technically and follows legal requirements like the CAN-SPAM Act. Therefore, the only choice I recommend is outsourcing the technical part of your email campaigns. Really, maintaining a database of prospects and sending a large number of emails lies in the realm of server infrastructure. That rules out desktop applications for serious business owners anyway. And unless you are a software developer, a network engineer, or it is your core business to deal with internet servers, then you don't want to deal with the server and maintenance issues of your email marketing either. To be honest, do you host your website in your office? Most likely not. Using a service provider for your email marketing. By choosing an email marketing tools service provider, you can concentrate on your marketing, on the content of your email promotions, on building your list of email subscribers, simply on the tasks that will translate to more distribution and more sales. Let me give you a short list of features you should be looking for in an excellent email marketing service provider. I will focus on what beginners and medium experienced online marketers need to have. Basically, you want a provider which allows you to grow with your campaigns. Here is a short list of core features and a brief explanation. Unlimited email lists and number of messages sent. Nothing is more prohibitive than restrictions on the maximum number of emails you can send to your email lists. You also want to make sure that you can create as many separate lists as needed. For example, a prospect list for dog lovers, another one for cat lovers, and one for bird lovers. Once they buy from you, they get moved to a customer list for cats, dogs, or birds. And you might want to build a list of super hot prospects. Don't worry, there are simple techniques on how to do this, but it's important that your service provider lets you do that kind of thing without extra charges. Usually, you pay a flat fee for the total number of email addresses you store in the provider's database. This is as fair as it gets because the more email addresses you have collected, the more revenue you can generate. Make sure your service provider lets you back up those email addresses on a regular basis. They are your valuable asset. Autoresponders and follow-up messages. Allows you to send messages automatically to people who have just signed up for your email list. This is a key feature that allows you to provide the content your subscribers ask for in a timely fashion. Many businesses, for example, offer mini-series of email courses or tips that way. List segmentation. This simply allows you to define a subset of your entire email list for even more targeted messages. For example, you might want to send a message only to the subscribers who have joined your list this month. Complete 24/7 self-administration of your account over the web. Kind of self-explanatory. You don't want to call someone during business hours in order to change anything with your campaigns. Tool for creating opt-in web forms. You simply create your email opt-in form, copy the HTML code, and paste it into your web page. Personalization of messages. Will allow you to use the name of your subscriber or other variables to make your messages more personal. HTML and plain text messages capabilities including an online editor. Some people prefer to receive plain text emails, others like them colorful and flashy. Send both at the same time and the user's email client preferences will take care of what the subscriber gets to see. Excellent email deliverability. One of the most important variables about different service providers. Your messages are lost when they get filtered as spam and never reach the inbox of your subscribers. Email deliverability is a complicated issue and one of the major reasons why outsourcing the technical part is so strongly recommended. Of course, you must choose a provider that can prove a high deliverability rate. Compare them. Automatic handling of unsubscribe requests, spam complaints, and inactive email addresses. This takes care of legal issues and frees you from having to deal with this subject altogether. Good documentation and training material. Your provider should not only make it easy for you to use and learn their service, but they also should provide educational material on the subject of email marketing. Those are the basic features that you should be looking for. The following functions seem to be advanced, but after getting started with email marketing you soon will ask for the following as well. Make sure it's available right from the start. Split testing capability. Allows you to test the response for two versions of your message. For example, with a different subject line. Then you can send the winner to your entire list. Sophisticated tracking of open and click-through rates and easy-to-understand reports. Those metrics will help you to figure out what type of offers and messages your email subscribers especially like or dislike. A must-have tool for being able to improve the success of your campaigns. Include attachments such as ebooks or PDFs with your messages. Easy PayPal and third-party shopping cart integration. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about choosing a service provider or tools for email marketing. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.